If you have a water fountain that doesn't pump water again, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair the water fountain so that it begins to pump water again. This is a water fountain that doesn't pump water again. It's normally supposed to pump water from the top downward to this area here. That is, water goes from this area to this little pot downward into the water fountain and then back again. That is how the cycle goes. But there is a water pump inside this one here. It doesn't work again. If you plug it to your electricity, instead of it to pump water like it should, it doesn't pump water, it just makes this humming sound. So there's a problem with this water pump, and that is what I'm going to show you how to repair today. This is what the water pump looks like. I'm going to take out this front cover, the inlet area. There are two areas, the inlet and the outlet. I will take out the cover that is covering the inlet area that allows water to go in and then through the pipes. So to do that, for mine, I'm going to remove this top cover here, and I am going to check for blockage. There is normally there is always particle inside this area that blocks this water from going through the pipes. That is what I am going to remove right now, and then I'm going to clean it out thoroughly. After that, I'm going to check the outlet again. There is a tiny hole at the back also. I am going to remove anything that is clogged around that area too, and that should be able to resolve the problem. So after removing the one at the front, I've removed the things that are clogged here at this front area. So I am going to go to the back area and remove any debris or dust or dirt that is clogged around that area. With my flat screwdriver, I'm going to take out this cover. It comes out easily depending on the brand you're working with. So I'm going to look out for debris and dust around this area. I'll carefully remove all of them. That should be able to sort out the problem. As this is right now, the problem is solved. I've removed all the debris from the inlet and the outlet area, so water is able to flow freely the way it ought to. Now, this fix can only work if your water machine is working, and if you plug it to electricity, normally it's supposed to make this humming sound like it is pumping water. You can see mine is already working, it's pumping water. I had to close out the inlet a bit so that the water doesn't spill out everywhere. You can see that this is already working fine. So the fix for this is just to open up the inlet cover and then remove all the debris and dust and all kinds of dirty particles that the water pump has taken in while trying to pump water all through. So this is the area that we basically worked on, and that is the inlet area. That is the area that is often clogged with debris and dust and all kinds of dirt. So once you're able to clean out this area thoroughly, the problem is solved, as long as the electrical part of the water pump is still working fine. So if yours is still working fine and is making this humming sound, then you can just go ahead and clean it out. So thank you for watching. I'll see you some other time.